Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use school email. Your school email is a crucial tool for communication and resources throughout your academic journey. Finding your unique address often involves checking your admissions packet or the student portal, typically an address ending in your school's domain. You can then log in through your institution's website, often linked from the main page, or by using a direct webmail portal. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure from the very beginning. Once logged in, navigating your inbox is straightforward. You will quickly find options to send new messages, reply to existing ones, and forward important information to others. To maintain a clear workspace, create specific folders for classes or projects, helping you easily locate past conversations. When attaching files, always confirm you have selected the correct document and that it meets any size requirements, ensuring your message is complete and professional. Professionalism is key when communicating via school email. Always use a clear subject line, address recipients respectfully, and write in complete sentences, especially when contacting professors or administrators. Be extremely cautious of any emails asking for personal information or containing suspicious links, as these could be phishing attempts. Furthermore, protect your account by choosing a strong, unique password and updating it at least every 3 or 4 months to prevent unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Simple problems like forgotten passwords can often be reset through your school's online portal or by contacting the IT help desk. For more complex technical difficulties, such as emails not sending or receiving, your institution's dedicated IT support team is your best resource. They can provide personalized assistance and ensure your email access remains seamless, helping you stay connected with your academic community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.